there.
You want only juice?
Just water.
Eh?
Just water. I think I want that. What you want?
Can I get Coke to share?
Yeah, or maybe some cheese. You want?
No.
No? Okay, just get one.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi,
Morning.
ma'am.
Sir. Miss home?
Huh? No, I don't want. What you want? Just this one.
I'll go for
Omelette.
that.
ma'am?
I'll do that.
Omelette.
That's probably
You?
Yeah.
Okay.
Omelette badam. Yeah, you.
Yes. And some sausage.
How many pieces sausages?
Just one.
Two? One? And?
Yeah, just one. That's one.
That's it? Nothing else?
Yes. Maybe you can just combine it. Yes. How about yours, love?
I'll scrambled egg.
Camel eggs for you?
Yeah. Hash brown. You want hash brown?
No.
Do you have a hash brown? Two.
You?
Some bacon. Mushroom.
Mushroom sir?
No. Bacon.
Beef bacon, baby.
And sir?
Well,
Just
beef.
one.
One beef sausage.
One beef sausage?
For you, one.
Yeah.
Can I have one more?
Two. Make it two.
Garlic chutney.
Mushrooms, no?
No. That's
Anything
good.
else sir?
That's fine, thanks.
Hi. We're just having our breakfast. Natin kumain. Dadali na ni Jim doon. At tingnan natin. Kasi okay. It's okay. It's okay. Andun na yung plato. Kakatuwa. Save time. Diba? Yes, we're back to the flat. So, we buy again. We've been to the Lulu's hypermarket. We tried there because it's a new. So, it's our first time also to went there. Okay, so this is what we buy. So, the 2 kilos of rice and low-fat milk and tofu. We will cook a tofu. And some mango and sayote because we will cook some tinola later. And for our lemon and for our red onions and for the Rice Krispies for our breakfast and our vinegar. And I get some sushi rice and of course our rice vinegar and of course our sushi wrapper. I got 2. And for our lettuce and for our eggs. So nothing much. Then now we'll just go for a quick shower and we'll just check out to you later. Hello everyone. For our dinner, I didn't show to you earlier but we already cook our tinola. For our tinola is I just put some sayote and green chili, pak choy, and peppercorn, and we put some fresh ginger, fresh garlic, onion, and we add some garlic and ginger paste on it. So, and then I put some chicken cubes. So, we will wait until it cooks our pak choy. And of course, our rice. Hello po, ito na po yung ating tinolang. Sarap! Kain tayo!